Hello everyone. Welcome to this course on Essential of Object-Oriented Design and Programming. In this presentation, we are going to discuss stack concept in STL. What is the stack concept in STL? Stack is a container adapter that follows LIFO, that is LIFO, LIFO concept. It means lost in first out principle. So, what is the meaning of last out and first out principle? The most recently inserted element is removed first, and the first inserted element will be removed last. For example, the insertion of element 10, 30, 20, 5, 1, we are going to insert in the STL stack. So, how it will follow the principle? So here the STL stack, it will allocate the memory space dynamically whenever we are inserting a new data. Similarly, it will deallocate the memory whenever we are deleting data in the stack concept. So for example, we are going to insert the first element. So that cases, it will allocate the memory space automatically, that is dynamically. Then pointer top, it will point to the top of the stack. So is the first allocated memory, the pointer is point to here, where we are going to insert the first element. So that is the first element here, 10 we are going to insert here. And next we are going to insert the next value 30. So now automatically it will allocate the new memory space, the pointer it will be increment, then it will point the top of the stack, where we are going to insert the new element 30. Similarly, 20. So now the memory space will be allocated, the pointer will be incremented, the pointer will point to the top of the stack, where we are going to insert the new element 20. And similarly, so next value 5. So again, the memory will be allocated, the pointer will be incremented, it will point to the top of the stack, where we are going to insert the new element 5. And next, one more value, automatically it will allocate the memory space, the pointer will be incremented, it will point to the top of the stack, where we are going to insert the new element 1. Likewise, we are going to insert all the new element the top of the stack. Suppose if you want to delete the elements, for example, we are going to delete element 1 and 5 in the STL stack. So that cases, already we informed, right? The most recently inserted element is removed first. Which one is the most recently inserted element? 1. So now the pointer is point to the top of the stack. So the most recently inserted element is 1, that will be deleted. So automatically the point will be decremented. It will point to the next value. What is the next value? 5. Similarly, we are going to delete value 5. So now automatically deallocate the memory space. So now pointer will be decremented, then it will point to the next new element, that is the 20. So likewise, we can delete the element from top of the stack. And next one is function associated with the stack. For example, there are different type of inbuilt function it will support. First one is a empty. It will verify whether the stack is empty or not. It will return. And next function is size. It will return the size of the stack. And next one is a top, is the one of the inbuilt function. So it will return the reference to the topmost element of the stack. And next one is a push function with the parameter. So where we are going to add the new element in the top of the stack. And next one is pop. It will delete the topmost element of the stack. So we will apply this all the inbuilt function. We will develop one example program. See here one example program. First we are defining one function, that is a void show stack. It will show the, that is the content of the stack. So here stack, from the stack we are creating the object. So here we are using the while because the stack having more number of element, right? So we are using the while concept. Then we are going to verify whether the stack is empty or not. If not empty, then with the help of the object, then it will pointer is point to the top. It will display the first element. Then s dot power mean the pointer will be decremented. Again, it will verify whether the stack is empty or not. Again, if not empty, it will show the content. So likewise, it will execute and then it will show all the content of the element. And suppose the stack is empty, then it will terminate the loop. So here the main program. So here from the main program, we are creating the object from the stack. With the help of the object, then we are calling the push function. So already we discussed the push function, right? To insert the element in the stack. That is the top of the stack. For example, s dot push 10 mean first the 10 will be inserted. Next to push 10, that mean the 30 will be inserted in the top. Then s dot push 20, so it will be inserted in the top 20. Then s dot push 5, it will be inserted on the top of the stack 5. Then push 1, it will be inserted on the top of the stack. So now the pointer is point to the top of the stack. Suppose if you want to show the content of the stack, so then we will call the function. That is already we defined, right? We will call the function with the parameter yes. So automatically it will invoke the function. Then it will show the content of the stack. See here, what is the content of the stack? So now 1, 5, 20, 30, 10 it will show. And here, what is the size of the stack? So number of content inside the stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here value is 5. Which one is the top of the stack here? See 1. And next one is s dot pop. So what is the role of the pop here? It will delete the element. That is, it will delete the top of the element. So which one is the top of the element here? So 1 will be deleted. The top it will decrement, then it will point to the next element 5. So now again if you are calling the show function, it will show the content of the stack. What is the current content of the stack here? Starting from here, right? Already 1 is deleted. So 5, 20, 30, 110. So likewise, it will display. Thank you.